First open Start and type regedit. Expand H key current user. Expand software. Expand Microsoft. Expand Office. Mine is 16.0, so I am opened it. Expand Common. If you don't find Open, find. Right click on Common, click on New and click on Key. Right click white frame, click on New and click on 32-bit. Right click it and click on Modify. Enter value 1 and click on OK. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Control Panel. Click on Uninstall Program. In here you will find Office, click on it and click on Change. And repair Word Office. Guys, please like and subscribe my channel.